Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a reaction. So I was just chilling and all of a sudden I thought of drift cars. And you know Turbo Flutters. So that's what I'm going to be watching today. This video is by Nike 1600. So please subscribe to him. It was published on October 26, 2014. And it has like a whole 4,466,775 views. Let's watch this. Okay. Ooh. It's a GTR. Nice. I absolutely love Turbo Floaters, by the way. Like, I can do some myself. They're pretty lame through here, but in real life, holy flippadoodle, that was fast. VTech. Oh my god. That turbo is insane. This is why I love VTECs, guys. Like, my uncle has a VTEC dragster. Also why I love Toyota Supras. Did you not see that? I swear, if this does not copy down, I'm gonna be pissed. Those are weak. Those are some pretty weak flames for me. Like, I've seen my uncle's dragster do some insane things. Like, I mean, I swear it looked like as if an RX-7 exploded my uncle's engine and just was like, I don't care. Okay, back to the vid. Sweet. I love drifting. Just to let you know, I might be getting a selfie stick so I don't have to deal with this bullcrap. Oh my god, burnouts for days, man. Burnouts for days. If you're wondering why it's so loud, that's because I have like my mouth completely right up next to the speaker. We got another GTR here. Oh, it sounds nearly pops a wheelie, man. Like, I swear, if that thing popped a wheelie, I would have been the happiest man. Oh, little boy ever. Oh, shiz. Excuse my French. Like, could you not? Like, literally, how? How the heck would you not say holy shiz if you heard that thing? Oh, God. Holy shit. My god. I have to say, I absolutely love GTRs and like Hennessy Venom GTs. I remember my first GT race. Oh, snap. Compare that to a sniper, jeez. Oh my god, look how fast that thing's going. This is why I love JDM cars. Okay, back to the video. This one isn't actually that loud. It just sounds like he has a nostril on. This is what it sounds like. Drifting in a pickup truck. What the truck? Wait, get it? Don't you get it? What the truck? He's drifting a pickup truck. Like, my question is, how do you drift a freaking pickup truck? And also, by the way, I play X drifting, so yeah, there's a pickup truck in that. It's the Ram 500. At this moment, he knew he had the best car ever. If you guys know what that launch timing was, please put it down in the comments. That turbo lag, like, it always gets you. That turbo lag always gets you, doesn't it? I'm gonna edit that out. Well, I'll just keep it in. Zero to 100. 0 to 100 real quick. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, crap. Okay, that was the video. I hope you saw that, because I swear I'm going to smack myself dead in the face. Probably punch it. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Peace out, my peeps. I'm gonna be changing out my name. Okay? See ya.